Oh, ew. So gross. This room is a mess. Guys, wake up. Guys. Sweetie, wake up. What? You guys gotta clean up. Why?
I don't like cleaning up.
Well, I have a surprise. What? We're going to we're going where? Disneyland?
Yeah, and having a hotel at Disneyland.
No, we're not going to Disneyland. Where are we going? We're going to Legoland. No, we're not going to Legoland. We're going to Minion Land. No.
Universal?
No. Movie theater? No. Walmart? No. Target?
McDonald's?
No. We're moving. What?
What?
We're moving to McDonald's? No! We're moving
To Disneyland?
We're moving to LA. LA? Right now? Yes, we're moving. Right now? Yes. Oh, okay. I guess we gotta clean up. Right, sister?
Yeah.
Because someone made this big old mess in our room. I wonder who did it. Well, I'm being downstairs packing. Yeah. Okay. Well,
Ew.
I played with this slime yesterday, so it shouldn't be dry. You should pick up your slime with the train.
My train's in it. Okay, I'm gonna play with my pig.
Hey, you need to
Oh
clean.
yeah, now my penguin's stuck in the slime. Ew.
Here's your box, and here's my box.
You wanna trade lids? I have a blue one and you have a...
I'm fine with my leg. Come on, we gotta clean.
Okay.
Smush your feet in
Look at
there.
the bark.
Ew. Your slime is just gross.
Yeah, yours is
Smush.
like actually like
Smush.
fluffy.
Can you clean?
Oh, sorry. Okay, I'm
Okay.
gonna make a burrito.
And stomp it. Come on, sister. I already
I
put
made a
my slime
burrito.
away. Now I got this thing to pick up all our other toys.
Ew, why it's so sticky? I'm going to have to do it with my feet.
Okay, this is all packed.
Ew.
And
Sister, you already know the drill. I even my friend Penguin. Penguin!
okay, now time to put it. Let's go. And I'm ready to go to LA.
Me too. Are you driving?
Yep.
Okay. I got Pengy. Penguin is going to be in the baby seat.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Okay, well, I'm in the kitchen now, so I guess I gotta clean this kitchen. Okay, well, I have my little thing right here. We're gonna start moving stuff. We got our waffle maker right here. Oh, our pan for pancakes. Some popcorn. And soap. And I just dropped a lot of stuff. I dropped her waffles are bagels. And I dropped all of our cups that we use every single day. Then we have this whole thing of just snacks that the kids were supposed to eat, but they haven't ate yet. So I'm just gonna put that in there. And then all of our clean dishes and plates and everything. Just stuff it in there. And we are done with all the other this random stuff, so let me put it in the car. Okay, now I need to pack all of our refrigerator stuff. Open the fridge. I'm gonna put some grapes, some lemonade, guacamole, a donut, pretzels. Pretzels don't go in the fridge. Some milk, tomato soup, and that would be it for refrigerator because I didn't get too much stuff this week. Let's go put this in the car. Now we gotta pick up all of these chairs and this chair, put them together, put this in the car, then these two in the car. and our cake that I made yesterday that no one ate yet. So I'm gonna put this in the car too. And our beautiful 10 table. It's purple and my favorite color. And the kitchen is all clean and emptied out. Time to move on to the bathroom. Okay, now it's time for the bathroom. Don't ask why we got this big old pool in our bathroom. Well, let's see what we have. We got some toilet paper, some face masks that me and Sweetie, my girls use, some bubble soaps, and our little scrubber that we use every time. And that's it. And then our decor. And then I'll take this to the car, our towel, and our step stool because the girls can't reach. Put this in the car. We can't take this big old bath, which definitely not a pool. We're just gonna leave that there. Now, time to go see what the girls are up to. Girls! Well, they fell asleep because they're sleepyheads and they stood up all night. At least they picked all their toys. And then her skateboard, her thing, her puppet thing. They picked up their slime. Perfect, because I don't like these slimy little slime play things. Let's go put it away. Their blankets, which I'm just going to keep with them because they're tired. Then their big bed. Sweet guys, wake up. What? Going.
We're trying to drive by ourselves, Mom.
Well, come on. It's time to get in the car.
We're supposed to go to the road. No.
Yeah, you can take it on the road. Let's go.
Wait, we're driving?
Let's go. No, I'm driving. I'm just taking you guys to the car. We're going to LA. Oh my goodness, look at all the stuff I have in my drawers and everywhere. Let me go get some bags. There's a little trash in there, but that's okay. I have my Mickey and Minnie collection, which are just going to be the only ones that will be going in here because they're very special to me. And that's one bag done. The bag's going to be full of just clothes and blankets. Open this. This, and this, and this. I put that all in my backpack. Now, done packing that, and this. And I'll take my bed, and I'll take my couch, and I'll take my beautiful rainbow art. These drawers are just too big, and I can't fit it in my car, so we're just gonna leave that there. Wow, this place is all cleared. So let's go downstairs to make sure everything in the girls' room are cleared in here also. The whole room's also cleaned. Time to go check the bathroom. This cleaned also. I guess it's time to leave this house. Love you, house.
Bye, house.
Bye, house. I'm gonna miss you. Maybe one day I'll get this house. Maybe.
I'll get it instead of you, sister. Or we could share the house.
Well, let's go, kids. Bye, house. Bye, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like and subscribe. Bye.